Hey math monsters. Alright, so hey math monsters. I may have said that twice. I couldn't tell if it was recording or not. But anywho, you should be in level 1 looking for DIY number. What should this be? This should be number 4. Counting caterpillar. Alright, so each one of these is their own problem. Okay? So you're going to be skip counting by 5s. And you're going to fill in the missing numbers. Let's practice together with just the song. So sing along with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Stop. Alright, let's go check out the other caterpillar. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Stop! So, you're going to write your name right here. You're going to fill in the missing numbers, skip counting by 5s, and if you get stuck, go find your DIY number 1. That looks a little something like this. I think I've talked about it in every single video. And use this to help you find your missing numbers. Or you can sing the song as you write it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Alright, can't wait to see what you have to show us, friends.